On May 19th, Lufthansa Technik and Airbus announced that they had entered a technical collaboration to develop and certify the application of AeroSHARK riblet technology on the wings and stabilizers of the Airbus A330ceo. As stated by Lufthansa Technik, the cooperation aims to achieve the first ever commercial certification of riblet technology on an Airbus A330 wing and tailplane, following similar applications to the Boeing 777. We take a closer look at this news for today's video. Lufthansa Technik is now extending AeroSHARK technology to the aircraft wings and horizontal and vertical stabilizers with the support of Airbus. This builds on the ongoing STC certification of AeroSHARK for the A330ceo's fuselage and engine nacelles. And so the project will focus on technical feasibility and certification of the AeroSHARK coating on those aforementioned A330ceo surfaces. Following successful validation and approval by the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, or EASA, the solution is intended to be commercialized. Lufthansa Technik will hold the supplemental type certificate and lead related certification activities, while its engineering division will be responsible for the overall certification concept and execution with support from Airbus's engineering teams, who will provide key aircraft type data and safety assessments. The certification program will assess the impact of riblet application on flight dynamics, lightning strike protection, structural loads, maintenance aspects, and all relevant aircraft systems, including flight control, autopilot, and navigation systems. It's expected that when AeroSHARK is applied to all relevant aerodynamic surfaces, fuel savings for a fully modified A330ceo should exceed 2% on typical long-haul missions, offering airlines a meaningful reduction in operating costs and CO2 emissions. As we reported in previous videos about AeroSHARK being applied to other jets, the functional film imitates the special characteristics of shark skin, reducing aerodynamic drag through its riblet structure. Lufthansa Technik and BASF Coatings have successfully applied this principle for the harsh conditions of daily airline operations, and by now, large-scale AeroSHARK modifications have been applied to 30 Boeing 777 aircraft of several airlines and one Lufthansa Boeing 747, which served as a testbed. As of April 2026, AeroSHARK modified aircraft have accumulated over 350,000 flight hours, reportedly saving more than 20,600 metric tons of jet fuel and reducing CO2 emissions by over 65,000 metric tons. So, what do you think of this coating being applied to older A330s? Do you think it should simply be the industry norm or standard to have such a coating applied to any aircraft flying long haul? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.